So we're going to continue our solving here of logarithmic equations. Here in this case, another new unique situation, we have logs on both sides. So what do? Well, the same principle still applies here. If we have multiple logs, like in previous problems, we want to combine them together to a single logarithm. Here in this case, since they're on opposite sides, we need to get them together on the same side. You can move them over to whatever side you would like. I would encourage here to move the minus log x over to here, since there's only the single log x right there. So in other words, we'll just add log of x to both sides here. So we'll have 2 log of x equals 2. Okay, right? Because it's a log, 1 log plus another log gives us 2 logs. And so then we can divide both sides by 2. And we get log of x equals 1. Remember that log by itself is log base 10, so we can rewrite this using exponential form as 10 to the 1 equals x, which is just x equals 10. Okay, and again we can check it back in here. Log of 10 equals 2 minus log of 10. Log of 10 is 1. 2 minus, and again log of 10 is 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Check, that's right, so check, that's right too. Okay, number 9. Again, multiple logarithms here. So what we can do here is, since we have only logs on either side, we could just get a single log on the left-hand side and a single log on the right-hand side and simplify from there. Or we can just move everything over. Okay, so you kind of do whatever's natural to you. I think what would make the most sense here for what we've been doing is to get all of our logarithms over to one side and then combine them together. So let's do that. So we'll subtract natural log of 12 from both sides. And we'll add natural log of x plus 3 to both sides. So that's going to look like this. Natural log of x plus 2 minus the natural log of 12 plus the natural log of x plus 3 equals 0, right? Because all those canceled there. Now when we combine here, right, let's combine these first two things together. We're going to subtract, which changes to division, right? So we'll have natural log of x plus 2 over 12 plus still the natural log of x plus 3. Now addition becomes multiplication. So we're going to take this and multiply by that. All right, so we'll have natural log of x plus 2 over 12 times x plus 3. Now we multiply by the x plus 3, remember that's over 1, and so it's going to be these two things that multiply together there. And so we're going to end up with natural log of x plus 2 times x plus 3 all over 12 equals 0. And now we'll eliminate the natural log. Remember, it's log base e. So this is going to be just e to the 0 equals x plus 2 times x plus 3 over 12. E to the 0 is 1. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do this. E to the 0 is 1. There we go. I just won't rewrite it. And then to continue, we'll just multiply both sides by 12. So we get 12 equals, and since I can see we're going to get a quadratic here and we're not equal to 0, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this out. So we'll get x squared plus 2x plus 3x, so plus 5x plus 6. Okay, subtract the 12 from both sides so we can be equal to 0. 6 minus 12 is negative 6. And now factor. X plus 6, x minus 1. So we'll get x plus 6 equals 0 or x equals negative 6, and x minus 1 equals 0 or x equals 1. Okay, check these back in. We can already see right away that negative 6 is going to cause a problem because negative 6 plus 2 is going to be a negative, and the natural log of negative 4 does not make sense, right? What would that equal? Think about this. You're doing e to the x equals a negative number. E is a positive number. There's no way to raise a positive number to any power and get a negative answer. So this is impossible. Okay, so we can't say negative 6. Does 1 work? Well, if we plug 1 in, you can see that we won't get any negatives from either of these situations. But let's go ahead and just check it out anyway. ln of 1 plus 2 equals the natural log of 12 minus the natural log of 1 plus 3. Okay, natural log of 1 plus 2 is natural log of 3. And natural log of 12, so minus natural log of 4. Again, subtraction becomes division. So we'll have natural log of 3 equals natural log of 12 over 4, which is exactly 3. So check that works. This one works. Okay, and that's it. Okay, you're on to your problem set. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.